We've all wondered at some point or another what mysteries our solar system holds. As we push more robots into space, improve our observational capabilities and begin to experience space for ourselves, we learn more and more about the nature of where we come from and how the planets have evolved. But even with our advancing knowledge, we would be naive to think we have all the answers, so much still needs to be uncovered. Here is part 2 of 5 mysteries of solar system. Number 5. Planet X. Caltech researchers have found mathematical evidence suggesting there may be a planet X deep in the solar system. This hypothetical Neptune-sized planet orbits our Sun in a highly elongated orbit far beyond Pluto. The object, which the researchers have nicknamed Planet 9, could have a mass about 10 times that of Earth and orbit about 20 times farther from the Sun on average than Neptune. It may take between 10,000 and 20,000 Earth years to make one full orbit around the Sun. The announcement does not mean there is a new planet in our solar system. The existence of this distant world is only theoretical at this point, and no direct observation of the object nicknamed Planet 9 have been made. The mathematical prediction of a planet could explain the unique orbits of some smaller objects in the Kuiper Belt, a distant region of icy debris that extends far beyond the orbit of Neptune. Astronomers are now searching for the predicted planet. Number 4. Titan. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is an icy world whose surface is completely obscured by a golden hazy atmosphere. Titan is the second largest moon in our solar system. Only Jupiter's moon Ganymede is larger, by just 2%. Titan is bigger than Earth's moon, and larger than even the planet Mercury. This mammoth moon is the only moon in the solar system with a dense atmosphere, and it's the only world besides Earth that has standing bodies of liquid, including rivers, lakes and seas, on its surface. Like Earth, Titan's atmosphere is primarily nitrogen, plus a small amount of methane. It is the sole other place in the solar system known to have an Earth-like cycle of liquids raining from clouds, flowing across its surface, filling lakes and seas, and evaporating back into the sky, akin to Earth's water cycle. Titan is also thought to have a subsurface ocean of water. Maybe there is life in Titan, but we don't know yet. Number 3. Asteroid Oumuamua. The first confirmed object from another star to visit our solar system, this interstellar interloper appears to be a rocky, cigar-shaped object with a somewhat reddish hue. The object, named Oumuamua by its discoverers, is up to 1/4 mile, 400 meters, long and highly elongated, perhaps 10 times as long as it is wide. That aspect ratio is greater than that of any asteroid or comet observed in our solar system to date. While its elongated shape is quite surprising, and unlike objects seen in our solar system, it may provide new clues into how other solar systems formed. The observations suggest this unusual object had been wandering through the Milky Way, unattached to any star system, for hundreds of millions of years before its chance encounter with our star system. For decades we've theorized that such interstellar objects are out there, and now, for the first time, we have direct evidence they exist. But maybe this interstellar object is not really an asteroid, but instead an interstellar spaceship that is observing us from time to time, but no one knows the answer. Number 2. Why does Pluto have mountains? The dwarf planet Pluto has some of the most unique features of any other object in the solar system. It has huge mountains made almost entirely out of ice. The question that puzzles scientists is, where did they come from? For a mountain to be created there needs to be geological activity. That means tectonic plates moving because of volcanic activity or some other form of heat release. And that's where the big mystery lies. Where are the heat and energy coming from? As far as we can tell, Pluto is too far away from the Sun to receive much energy from it, and its core is just ice and rock, so there's no lava flowing. One theory suggests Pluto might have some sort of system of cryovolcanoes, which are basically volcanoes that spit water or gases, but the reality still remains a question to be answered. Number 1. Where did the moon come from? It's kind of strange to acknowledge that scientists aren't certain about the origins of the moon. There is a prevailing theory, but even that theory is problematic, which is why experts haven't declared the question of the moon's origin to be truly answered. While there is one widely accepted explanation, there are a few other theories that are interesting to consider. Notably, none involve hypotheses related to cheese. The most widely accepted theory is known as the giant impact hypothesis, which suggests that a Mars-sized object, a planetoid dubbed Theia, crashed into the Earth about 4.5 billion years ago during the Solar System's early formation. The impact sent chunks of young Earth flying into space. Those chunks of Earth were pulled back together by gravity, trapped by Earth's orbit, and eventually transformed into the moon we see today. Or it's just a home base for the alien race to watch us evolve. No one knows.